2023, the game of Airbnb has changed, and you really do not need to own a property to get started. Let's find out how. So what exactly is Airbnb arbitrage, and how can you make a profit from it without owning any property? Airbnb arbitrage is essentially the art of renting properties from a landlord and then relisting them on Airbnb, for a higher price of course. It's all about finding properties in prime locations, sprucing them up if needed, and then marketing them effectively to maximize your profit. Now, perhaps you're wondering, I don't own any property. How on earth can I do this? Well, that's the beauty of it. You don't need to be a property owner. Instead, you become a master of short-term leasing, and here's how. Start by negotiating short-term rental leases with property owners. Look for landlords who are open to flexible rental agreements, especially in popular tourist destinations and business hubs. Once you secure a property, invest in quality furnishings and decor to make it attractive to potential guests. Think about the Airbnb experience you would want if you were a traveler. Next up, craft compelling Airbnb listings with eye-catching photos and descriptions. Highlight the unique features of the property and its location. Set competitive but profitable nightly rates based on market research. Consider factors like seasonality, local events, and demand. Now, one of the most important elements is to provide exceptional customer service to guests. If you want to succeed in this game, it's an absolute must. Quick responses, cleanliness, and attention to detail will lead to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Use tools and platforms to automate tasks like messaging guests, managing bookings, and even your cleaning services. My personal favorites: uplisting for your channel manager, which also gets you access to the Turno cleaning app, and Price Labs to dynamically price your listings so you can just sit back and count the money rolling in. Check out the link in the description for a free trial and extra discount on uplisting. We continue. By adopting this Airbnb strategy, you're essentially becoming a property rental entrepreneur without the burden of property ownership. It's a flexible and low-risk way to generate income in 2023, assuming you do it in the correct manner, and it's perfect for those who crave financial freedom and want to dip their toes in the hospitality industry. But be warned, do not get into this game before you are fully up to speed. Not every property works, and thorough research must be done to ensure you're acquiring profitable properties that will work for the long term. So what even are the benefits of Airbnb arbitrage? Well, number one, low capital investment. One of the biggest advantages of Airbnb arbitrage is that you don't need to tie up huge sums of money in property purchases. Instead, you're investing in short-term leases and furnishings, making it accessible to a wider audience. Meaning you can get started for as little as a few thousand, or if you're smart and use 0% financing, credit cards, furniture store loans, etc., you could even get started for zero and fund your setup costs from the revenue generated from the property when you get your bookings. Now, you should get your first few bookings within 24 to 48 hours if you've got the right property. Number two, diverse locations. With arbitrage, you can choose properties in various locations. Want to try a bustling city one month and then a serene countryside cottage the next? You've got the flexibility to do just that, catering to different travelers' preferences. My personal advice, however, would be to niche down on one or two of the guest types and acquire stock suitable for that guest in the same location so you can have full control of your business. More on that in my next video, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Number three, cash flow. By renting properties on Airbnb and relisting them at a higher rate, you create positive cash flow, assuming that you've got everything right. This means your rental income exceeds your expenses and leaving you with a tidy profit at the end of the month. My average Airbnb arbitrage generates me £1,167 per profit year to date in 2023. Number four, risk mitigation. Unlike traditional real estate, where you might be affected by market fluctuations and regulations, Airbnb arbitrage provides more stability. Short-term rentals allow you to adapt quickly to changing conditions and maximize your earnings. It might surprise you that even through COVID, when travel was restricted, we were still making a tidy profit. Number five, scalability. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can scale your arbitrage business very quickly. This means more properties and ultimately more income. It's a fantastic way to grow your financial portfolio without a substantial investment, and it is much quicker. Think about it. You can rent 5 properties next week. You can get them set up and cash flow in the week after. There are not many countries, if any I know of, where you can set up and purchase 5 properties in the next 2 weeks, let alone needing the funding requirement to do it. Number 6, it's a hands-on experience. You get hands-on experience in the hospitality industry, which can be valuable for those wanting to get into property management, real estate, or entrepreneurship. Plus, it's a chance to improve your customer service skills. As your hosting journey unfolds, you will naturally start to expand your business into other areas of the real estate industry. Number 7 is the tax benefits. In many regions, short-term rentals offer different tax advantages. You may be eligible for deduction expenses related to your Airbnb properties, further increasing your profits. In the UK, for example, you can avoid the Section 24 landlord tax by hosting guests rather than having tenants. Number 8, remote work friendly. Airbnb arbitrage is ideal for digital nomads who want to seek that flexible work from anywhere lifestyle. You can manage your guests and listings remotely, giving you the freedom to travel or work from home. And let's be honest, who doesn't want this luxury? Now, like anything that sounds too good to be true, there are also some downsides, so it's important that we understand what they are so you can be informed and make the right decisions for your financial future. While the money-making strategy is super exciting, it is crucial to be aware that the potential downside, after all, knowing the disadvantages can help you understand it better and navigate yourself away from the danger and possible financial losses. Unlike a traditional job with a fixed salary, your income with Airbnb arbitrage is going to be unpredictable. Factors like seasonality, local events, and market competition can cause fluctuations in your earnings. Property owners may have rules and restrictions that limit your control. They might not allow you certain modifications or have a strict check-in and check-out times, which might make it very challenging to manage. While Airbnb arbitrage requires less capital than buying a property, you will need money for furnishings, decor, and security deposits. It may take time to recoup these expenses. I try to aim for no more than 6 months. If it takes longer than this, then I will tend to walk away from that deal and find another one. Managing multiple Airbnb listings can become time-consuming. Coordinating check-ins, cleaning, and responding to guest inquiries can feel like a full-time job. Especially if you're scaling up, you need to leverage technology as much as you can and start building a cost-efficient team to buy your time back as soon as you can afford it. The legality of short-term rentals can be a grey area in some locations. You might encounter zoning restrictions, licensing requirements, or local laws that can disrupt your business. You must double check this before signing every property, as I've seen so many people rush into deals and even set them up beautifully, only to find out they can't even open the doors and start trading legally. In popular tourist destinations, the Airbnb market can be saturated with listings. The high competition can make it challenging to stand out and secure consistent bookings. And this is why you need to find your niche guest type and hone in on it. Become the best of the best in your niche, and saturation does not affect you. Hosting guests can lead to property wear and tear. Plus, dealing with difficult guests or damage disputes can be stressful and time consuming. So ensure you have a little slush fund set aside for unexpected costs, a good legal structure and verification process to ensure you are covered in case some guests decide to misbehave. Your business relies on platforms like Airbnb in the beginning. Changes to their policies, fees, or algorithms can impact your business overnight. It's essential to stay updated and adapt accordingly, and it's even more essential to start moving away from these platforms and obtaining direct bookings as soon as you can. More on that in one of my next videos, so make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. We all understand that the measures of COVID-19 have now been pretty much relaxed. Nonetheless, external factors like pandemics or travel restrictions can severely affect the short-term rental market. You may experience sudden booking cancellations and revenue drops during such events. Hosting guests can come with liability risks. Accidents or injuries that occur on your property could lead to legal issues or insurance claims, so make sure you have the right insurance in place from day number one. Having talked very broadly on Airbnb arbitrage, let me discuss a number of other ways you can make money with Airbnb without even owning a property. Airbnb guest communication and concierge services. Now, this is all about providing exceptional customer services and support to Airbnb hosts and their guests, also known as co-hosting. Here's how it works. Prompt communication. One of the keys to Airbnb success is maintaining a quick and effective communication with guests. Hosts often have busy lives, and this is where you come in. As a guest communication expert, you'll be responsible for responding to messages, inquiries, booking requests, and on behalf of the host. Timely response will also mean that the host's rating will go up and his reputation on the platform. Now your role might even begin before the guest arrives. You can assist with providing detailed information about the property, local attractions, transportation options, and any special requirements the guest might have. Being a knowledgeable local can give that guest an unforgettable experience. Check-ins and check-outs. Someone needs to coordinate this. For many hosts, managing the logistics of check-ins and check-outs can be a hassle. You can offer services where you greet the guests upon arrival, provide them with keys or access codes, and ensure a smooth transition in and out of the property. This adds a personal touch and guests really appreciate it. Now think of yourself as a virtual concierge service. You can recommend local restaurants, arrange transportation, back tours, or help with any of the other guest needs, providing this is a level of service that can lead to happier guests, positive reviews, and repeat bookings. You may just need to be the emergency support. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Guests encounter issues during their stay, such as broken appliances or more serious problems. Being available to handle these emergencies can not only be a lifesaver for hosts and guests alike. Post-stay follow-up. Your job doesn't end when the guest checks out. Sending them thank you messages and requesting reviews can significantly impact a host's credibility. This service ensures that hosts maintain a stellar reputation on Airbnb. Hosts are often willing to pay for these services because they know that positive reviews and guest satisfaction are critical to their success on Airbnb, and it is a great way for you to get some first-hand experience in the operational side of an Airbnb business. Airbnb also has an affiliate program. Its affiliate program is a brilliant way to make money by promoting Airbnb services and earning commission for each successful referral. In essence, you become a partner with Airbnb, helping them attract new hosts and guests. Here's how it works. Firstly, you sign up for an Airbnb affiliate account. It's usually free and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll gain access to the wealth of promotional materials and tracking tools. Now it's time to get creative. You can promote Airbnb through various means. Start by blogging, a YouTube channel, or a social media account dedicated to travel tips, vacation ideas, or Airbnb related content. Share your experiences and insights and use your unique affiliate link to drive traffic to your Airbnbs. If you have an email list of travel enthusiasts or potential Airbnb users, send them enticing offers and recommendations using your affiliate links. And if you have a website related to travel, hospitality, or lifestyle, integrate Airbnb banners, widgets, and search boxes, all of which can be provided by Airbnb. Share Airbnb listings, your travel experiences, or any other special promotions through your social media accounts, making sure to use your affiliate links. And here's the exciting part. For every successful booking made through your referral link, you earn commission. The commission structure varies, but it's often a percentage of the booking fee. So the more people you refer and the more they book, the more you earn. Airbnb provides you with the tracking tools to monitor your referrals and earnings every single day. Once you accumulate a certain amount in commission, Airbnb will send you your well-deserved payments. It's that simple. One key strategy is to create valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Share tips on how to find the best Airbnb stays, host your home, or have a memorable travel experience in using Airbnb. By offering real value, you'll build that trust and increase the likelihood of people booking on your affiliate links. Now, one thing to remember is to always ensure that you disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. It's essential to be transparent and honest about your affiliate marketing activities to maintain trust, which will ultimately mean more bookings for you. 2023 offers incredible opportunities to make money on Airbnb without the need to even own a property. We've explored a range of creative avenues from Airbnb arbitrage to property management services to affiliate programs and concierge services. The key is to leverage your skills and interests while providing value to hosts and guests alike. So whether you're a traveler, a communicator, or a service provider, there's a way for you to cash in on the Airbnb boom this year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts. Till the next video, take care.